Hey folks, this is just a quick video to show you how to get to your paper version of the homework that you need to do for 9.6, 9.7, and 10.1. So I've brought up the main My Math Lab page. If you would please go down and click on the link that says Chapter 9. Chapter 9. When you pull up Chapter 9, this is what you'll see. Go all the way down, please, to section 9.6. 9.6, and then from here go to this section that says 9.6 e-text. Now what I want you to notice here, and at the moment I'm not at a place where I'm allowed to write on the screen, so you're just going to have to listen to my verbal instruction. But notice how you have 4 links there. 3 of them say solutions, and the one right up above that says 9.6 e-text. So let's go into that 111.9.6 e-text first. Show you what you have here. It'll take a minute to pull it up. This is actually a screenshot of the textbook, and the circled questions are the ones that you should do on paper. Okay, so let me go back. The first 2 sets of solutions are actually just solutions that the textbook provides. They're okay. You can use them. They're not wonderful, but here's really the one that you're going to want to do. The third one is really where you want to go. And the third one is where I have worked out each question for you so that once you've worked your homework, you can see if you've done your homework correctly. Okay, so this is especially for the graphing part of this. For sine and cosine, you're only ever going to have to graph 1 period at a time. So even if the e-text tells you to graph something different, ignore it and only graph 1 period. Okay, so for instance, let me see if I can find a good example here. And I actually fixed it right there in the directions for you. See how for number 37 it says graph over a 1 period interval, state everything. Okay, so you'll follow my handwritten directions on that, not the book written directions. Okay, so you will need that then. No, I will not be grading these, not to be sarcastic, but if I gave you all the answers, it would be crazy for me to grade it because all you would have to do is copy it. So no, I'm not grading it, but this is what your test is going to look like. Your test will not look like my lab. So if you only do the My Lab homework, you will only get about 25% of what you need for learning. So please make sure that you also do the paper homework. Thanks, guys. Have a good weekend. Please feel free to text me if you need to. I will be home, hopefully resting and recuperating, but I should be able to answer questions as I'm able.